I'm Silas.
And I'm August. And welcome to
The Kitty Brothers Cooking Show.
The Kitty Brothers Cooking Show!
Today we'll be making one of our favorite desserts, sand cake.
Our grandma makes it for us, so it's extra special.
Grandmas are the best.
Yeah.
First, we'll be making these cookies into crumbs, or in our case, sand.
You might need a grown-up with you because the blades on these things are really sharp.
Let's make some sand.
Watch this!
Does this look sandy enough to you?
Yeah, I'd say so. And now it's time to make our delicious creamy filling.
First, put 1 container of Cool Whip in the bowl.
You want to add 1 container of softened cream cheese.
Next, add 1 package of vanilla pudding mix.
Then add 1.5 cups of milk. Then finally, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
And now we're gonna whip it.
Whip it real good. Because you did it yourself, you're gonna lick it real good.
Next comes the fun part. Let's.
You'll need your sand and your creamy filling that you made earlier and your very clean sand bucket.
Next, add approximately 1/5 of your sand to the bottom of the bucket.
You add approximately 1/3 of the creamy filling.
Take your spatula and gently spread the creamy filling around. Keep alternating your layers.
You'll end with a layer of sand. Here comes the hardest part, waiting.
Put your sand cake in the refrigerator for 30 minutes.
How could this happen to me? I've made my mistake. An hour, so it's time to eat. Doesn't that look delicious?
Yeah. Feels good. Ugh.
Goodbye.
Alright, it's been a while. We moved into a new house.
We promise to make some new episodes soon.
Team Pineapple.
And you've been watching The
Kitty Brothers Cooking Show.
All I have is powder. Mom, I think it's contaminated now. Mom, I can't eat my pancake.
You can, it's fine.